Hey guys, it's Nephi Garcia, aka Designer Daddy, and this video is sponsored by Wix. I want to show you guys a sneak peek into my design process, as well as an online portfolio I've been building through Wix. Wix allows you to edit your website through your phone. It's so convenient and so easy to use. Make sure you guys check out wix.com/go/Nephi Garcia and create your own website today. Wix is a free platform that allows you to build highly customizable, professional, robust websites. You can use the simple drag and drop tool to create beautiful websites quickly and easily. Wix is a platform that gives you total creative freedom. Wix gives you infinite design possibilities, only limited by your imagination. This makes each website personal, unique, and original masterpiece. Wix enables you to create a website for almost any purpose, be it to be a business, personal brand, or portfolio, with beautifully designed templates and all-in-one management. Wix offers hundreds of templates, unlimited pages, and top-grade hosting for free. Upgrade to one of their premium plans for as little as $5 a month to get even more. One of my favorite features is how you can easily integrate your social media into your website. This way, my portfolio can look professional and I won't have to pull up my Instagram every time I show other people my work. Click on the link in the description below to get started on your website today.